Wallah, wallah, who doesn't love Tupac? Whether if you're a fan or not, this style is just for you because I'm going to be showing you an amazing hack in which you can set a bandana on your head in two different ways. Whether you're bald or you have lots of hair, it doesn't matter. All you need to be concerned about is looking amazing. Is it rocking or locking this style? So anyways, grab onto your bandana, and if it's your first time here, it's the YouTuber here, welcome to my channel. Ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen, and so please just like this video because it actually helps me out a lot, a lot. So just like the video please, and if possible you can always share it out. You can comment down below and also subscribe for more amazing tutorials. So grab onto your bandana. For this style, what you need is, if you have your hair too much or held up like this, you just hold your hair towards the back, and if you do not have any hair on, let that bald shine. Enjoy it, play with it, make use of it, make it a mirror. Anyways, let's do this. You can also use a flat surface if you want to make it easier for yourself, and it's not a must. You can always also do it on air like yours truly. And yours truly, it's the YouTube. Anyway, Tupac, I got you covered. So grab onto your bandana like this. Face, letting it face towards whichever side you want. And so afterwards, you do not fold it like this. If you fold it like this is the kind of shape you'll have. And the reason why we do not fold it like this is because it will not be enough for our heads. But anyways, so you'll have to rotate it to form something like this, and then from this tip to the other tip you just fold it to have a triangle. Ta-da! Anyways, that is how you do it, to have like your triangle right there. And then afterwards you pick this tip. You see you have a tip and you have this like flat surface. When it comes to matters, if you want perfection, if you're a perfectionist, you just iron it out. Now when you have folded it the first time, you just iron it the first time. So the next thing is, let this tip touch the top side where it's straight, like that. If you had placed it like this on the flat surface, we'll just do like this. Easy, right? Yeah, so you have something like that. And then remember, I'm going to show you two ways in which you can do it. And so then afterwards, make a simple first fold, just a small one. Simple first fold, just a small one. And then the next thing is placing it on your head with all the hairs at the back as we agreed. Now it's time I think I should undo this one a little bit so that it doesn't really interfere a lot with our style. So yeah, I'm also letting my hair all go towards the back. So with your bandana like that, you can see we have two different places. We have this side, so just look at how I place it on my head, the shape. I place it that way for the first thing, and then towards the front we have something like that. It is big and it is covering a lot of area. If you want to cover a lot of area, you have to let it be that big or even bigger, but in this case that is the size. Wow, and it looks spectacular like that. You can choose to place your ears on the inside like that, or just let them be. Let them be like that. So the next thing you do is, now you make a knot. Look at the way we make that knot. The one at the top there comes in like that, and you have something like that. Easy, right? Yeah. But I prefer placing my ears inside. I don't know why, but anyway, like that. And that's how you do it. The first easy style, but this one, it can be really loose and it can come out, so you can always choose to maybe do like 2 knots. And then pull it a little bit to the back, and then you have like yellow, yellow, you only once yo. So as we get into the next manner in which we do this, just subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and you can always share me out, talk to me in the comment section or via my socials. So let's get into the next one. Oh, let me show from the back. Don't worry, this is when we do a big size. You can always pull it up if you want to like cover more area of your head. Okay, so the next one. So the point, up to the point where we had folded our bandana like this. Like that, we go back to that point. Okay, well, let's just restart. You have your bandana, you rotate it, let these tips touch, kiss, like that, to have this shape. And then now make your extra folds. It's super easy. You can bring this one towards the top there until it touches almost the tip, and don't overdo it whereby now this one will protrude to have something like this. We do not want that. So just make it to be lying just a little bit, just there, like that. And then the reason why I talk over flat surface is this. So the next thing, you can always fold it first, make your first fold, and then make a second fold. And if you have an iron box and you want to perfect, this is the time to do that. Okay, and then you have something like that. You can see we have like 2 sides, whereby these two pieces are like meeting, and then we have this other side. And so the side that we want to be on the outside is this particular side, and then you see the shape here, this V. The side that seems like it doesn't have anything is the side that you'll place on top, while this straight line lies in between. So actually, in short, the place in which you folded this one will be looking towards the top, and then this other smooth side will be below the bottom side. Let me just do that practically. Place it. You place it like that. Now remember, this is smaller. We do not want like it covering the entire head and all, too much space, blah blah blah, name them all. Make sure that this tip and this tip are of the same size, like that. Just make it smooth, something smart. And then seem as if, despite the fact that you've made them be like of the same size here, seem like you're turning it a little bit towards the side, so that you can have one wing that is bigger and longer than the other one. So now make your knot like that, and voila. And I like my ears tucked in, but if you do not want yours tucked in, it's okay. So it's not really at the center, it's almost a little bit towards the side, but that's how we go about it. The rule is you make one knot, but what if you feel like it's not tight enough the way you love it to be? What you do is you just do the extra knots. You can always do something that you can always go in extra. So you do your second knot right there. And you have, you know, it actually even looks much prettier like that. And voila, there you go, Tupac respects the OG. Yeah, so subscribe to this channel, like this video if it was actually helpful to you, and if you have watched this far, thank you so much. Remember, this channel is all about lifestyle, so many tutorials, you can always watch them there. So you see, oh my goodness, like it looks amazing. Yeah. And so to watch more of my videos and uploads, please subscribe and share me out. Tell someone about this channel, just mention me out there. And to watch more of this and amazing content, watch here, click here. Yeah. See you there.